I'm Jack Grunder, and I'm a licensed land surveyor with the Alaska District Corps of Engineers. I've been teaching the Topographic Surveying Basics Prospect course for 3 years now. And during this course, we teach our students how to do basic survey tasks. So we do field exercises where we cover differential leveling. We also use the total station and RTK GPS. Those are both very common equipment used on survey projects. We also try to get the students to understand how surveying relates to their particular discipline in the Army Corps of Engineers. So we have folks like park rangers, H&H engineers, civil engineers, structural engineers, all taking our course. We also cover land boundaries, so real estate personnel can get an understanding of what goes into performing a land survey or a property survey. And we also have practical exercises at the end of each day that the students work on as a group so that they can understand the content better, and they also learn from each other. And that practical exercise builds from each day to the next. I love teaching courses, and my experience with the staff at the ULC has been great. They do everything they can to support us, provide us the materials and the spaces that we need to be able to train our students the best that we can. Teaching courses is one of my favorite parts of my job.